Good afternoon, day 26 on the Pacific Crest Trail. Making some good time. I suppose I'm in the Central Cascades now. Definitely more open, flatter, some lava fields. You can see in the background there. I've been walking through them for the past hour. Not fun on the feet, but all good. Day 27, it's a wet morning. We need it though. There's some fires burning in the area. Good morning, here I am on day 29. I slept near this beautiful lake last night. So peaceful, got a great sleep. There's my tent. Sun hasn't come up yet, which is how I like it. Need to get ready, get on the road. Have about 30 miles to do today, so halfway through Oregon. Time to move. Good morning, day 31. I'm at Crater Lake in Oregon. Crater Lake is one of the more iconic sites on the Pacific Crest Trail. It's amazing. Magnificent to say the least. It's humongous. Here's what it looks like